Hello everyone, this is Rohan Kokula. I'll be showing you how to analyze and forecast data in Tableau. I'll be dividing this analysis into two parts, that is, first data gathering and second visualizing the gathered data in Tableau software. There will be two separate videos for the respective parts. So here's the first part. The data we'll be using to gather is from COVID-19india.org. Let's refresh and see the new values. Yep. So the data was updated lastly at 1 a.m. on 15th, and the confirmed records are 11,487 and deaths are 393. So we'll be retrieving this data from their API. So the API links are given in their website. We'll be using these three CSVs to manipulate our data and load it into our Tableau software. TT means total count, like for a particular day. So for 14th March it's 79, as 21 March is 78. So it gives a daily count. On 14th it recorded as 1033, whereas in the website it shows 1033 as the increased daily count. And also if we look at Maharashtra's daily count, it's 350. So the increase is 350 as per the previous day. I'll be using Jupyter Notebook to run Python code for data gathering and cleaning as well. Let's go to desktop and create a new folder. COVID-19. In this we will be having our script new Python 3. Let's create a markdown heading as hash data gathering. To retrieve data from various URLs, we'll be needing a Python module known as wget. We'll be using pip command, so exclamation will make it as a console input. So pip install wget. So let's copy the links. As wget is already installed in my system, will show requirement already satisfied. So when you'll run it for the first time, it won't be showing the error. Let's import all the necessary libraries such as Pandas as PD. Import wget. We'll be needing pathlib for creating a folder which includes all the CSVs which we'll be downloading. We'll be creating a folder, so using path and the file folder name with .mkdir, which makes the directory. By setting parents equals to true, will append the parent directory in which the current file is running. Exist underscore OK equals to true. This will ignore the file exist error. Let's run this cell and check if the folder is created. Yes. Let's import the URLs into list of strings as URLs. So let's use for loop to apply wget for each of the string. File name equals to wget.download, and we'll pass two parameters, URL and the directory. So let's run this cell and check if the files are downloaded into our folder. Yes. So let's create a data frame called as confirm which converts the downloaded CSV into the data frame type. So we'll be doing this for the rest of the files also. Okay, so we need to mention the path as well. Let's check the values of confirmed data frame. Here there is a column called unnamed 39 and its data type is NaN, that is not a number. So we have to drop that column in all of the data frames. So data frame dot drop, and the parameters are the column name, the axis, one means the column, and in place equals to true will change the data values in the main data frame itself. So we'll be changing the values for the other two data frames also. Let's see if it's updated or not. Yep. So the TT column in all the data frames has the same name. So we'll be renaming the TT column name as per the respective data frame's name. So if we'll check the head, then the value is changed. So we don't want this states, we only want the confirmed column. So we'll be slicing the columns as 0:2, such as we want only date and confirm values. We'll be storing date and confirm values into the data frame called C, so as to create duplicate of the confirmed and not to actually slice the original data frame. If we'll see the head of C data frame, then it will return two columns, date and confirm. Now we'll merge all the data frames into a single data frame known as total cases. So the final data frame will include date, confirmed, deceased and recovered columns of the respective data frames. So by now we have got the daily count of the respective cases, but for the forecasting we need cumulative summation of those values. So let's create another column named as cumulated confirmed, which will hold the values of the cumulated confirmed column. Let's check if the above data frames are concatenated correctly. So as I'm recording this on 14th, it will show the latest value. By the time of upload, the values will change and append. So we'll use Python function cumSum to calculate the cumulated summation. So let's check if these columns are added into our final data frame. So I've got the cumulated columns into the data frame. So if we'll check the final value, it should match to the current cases. 11487 is shown on the website and 393 are the deceased. So we need to rerun the script so as to get the new +1 value of the 11486. So the difference of 1 means that the URLs has not got the update from the website. So here's how the values are created. 79 is same, 79 plus 28 would give 107, plus 14 would give 121, and so on. Let's export this data frame. 2_CSV is the inbuilt function of Pandas. It takes desired file name as a parameter. So let's check. Yep, total cases is exported. We need to do a slight change in the above URL section, because if you'll rerun this code, then the new files will be created and it won't be replaced. So to tackle this problem, we'll be using OS method, that is unlink. Unlink will delete all the files of that respective path, and same for rest of the data files. So let's comment out these so as to avoid the first run errors. And we'll run all the cells so as to make this script automated. The intention behind writing this script is we don't have to explicitly download each file every day to see the results. So if we'll observe the cumulated confirmed value of 14th April, then it's updated to 11487, which is in real time with the website data. Dataframe.tail will give last 5 values. The recent update gives 11489 as the latest value. Let's consider cases for flattening the curve, which are 1. No new cases for a week, 2. Decrease in cases for a week, and 3. Increase in cases for that week. So the previous C value which we have used, that is the confirm values, we'll be using this data frame to generate our cases. So let's use the slicing cell over here. By using for loop, we'll append the dates till 30th April as dummy values. So the last entry was on 14th April. We'll create the for loop from 15th April till 30th April. We'll create dates as Pandas series object. So we'll pass this I into the string as dot format and append these dates into our main data frame. Let's set index equals to date so that the values are appended in the date column. Let's check if the new dummy values for the dates I have appended or not. Yes, they did. But the problem here is they have generated not a number data type, due to which the integer values are converted into float. So to avoid this, we'll first fill all the NaN values with 0. And in place equals to true will make changes to the data frame. If we'll check this, so now we have got the single data type values in this column. So we'll now be converting this float into the integer data type. the in place doesn't work here to actually copy the values into the data frame. So using .asType int will convert the current data type into the integer data type. Let's check the data frame. Yes, the values are retained. So from 15th till 30th, the value 0 is appended. So we'll be using NumPy to generate random integers and append it into the dates. So import NumPy as NP. Let's use for the first half of the generated dates, that is from 15th till 21st. So we'll be using indexes as 32, 39, that is till 21st April. So this will make sure that the range is till 21st April and not 22nd. We'll use iLock to our data frame so as to select the data. So this takes parameters as I, that is the row, and then column as 1. 1 means the confirmed column. Here I represents the index values. So for a specific row, we'll add the previous row with the randomly generated integer. So this will make sure that's a random increase based on the previous values. So the previous value plus np.random.randint. It takes two parameters, low and high, that is the range. So now let's run this. So if we observe, the first half of the generated values till 21st April is in an increasingly random order. So we'll use the second half of this table, that is all the zeros, to generate cases. Let's consider case 1, that is if India gets vaccination by 22nd April, then there would be 0 cases in India. So this is just an hypothetical situation. If not vaccine, due to this strict lockdown period, we may experience 0 new cases for a week. So this is case 1. Let's consider case 2. So this is a situation where there is a slight decrease in number of cases. Case 3. This is a situation where people don't follow social distancing, or just like the Bandra incident happened. Due to this, there will be a gradual increase in number of cases and extension of lockdown period could happen. So let's start with case 1. So the whole data frame of C is same as case 1. So we'll just have a cumulative summation to this confirmed column and store this in case 1 column. So if we'll check the data frame, then the case 1 is appended. So if you observe, from 22nd April, the values remain same. Let's start with case 2. So by using the previous logic of randomly increasing the number, we'll now randomly decrease the count. Let's add the case 2 values to the main data frame as cumulative sum. So let's now check the data frame. So if you'll observe here, from 22nd April there is slight change in the daily count. So is the slight increase in the cumulative case 2. Let's start with case 3. We'll follow case 3 as same as case 2, but here we'll just increase the random integer, rename it as case 3 and run this cell. So on 21st April, if we see, the cumulated values for the respective cases are same. So from 22nd there's a respective change. If we'll see, there is a slight increase in the confirmed column. The last step is to export the CSV. We'll use this CSV to make visualizations and predictions in the further Tableau video. Thanks for watching. Hope so you got an idea of how to gather the data. Like this video if you found it informative. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified about my further videos. And finally, share this video so that more people will get to know about this.